You can build a complete AI side hustle in under 10 minutes, even if you have zero experience, zero skills, and zero idea where to start. People all over the world are already doing this, and the only reason most people don't is because they think it's more complicated than it really is. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simplest, fastest system to launch an AI-powered side hustle from scratch. By the end, you'll know exactly what to sell, how to deliver it using AI, and how to get your first client without ads or followers. Let's get started. The first step is choosing a niche. And don't overthink this. Your niche isn't your personality. You're simply choosing the type of people you want to help. For example, you could pick small local businesses, real estate agents, coaches, fitness trainers, online creators, restaurants, or e-commerce brands. All of these need content, automation, and digital services that AI tools can produce instantly. Just choose one group that you feel comfortable offering value to. The second step is choosing a service. This is where AI does almost all the heavy lifting for you. You only need to pick one simple service to start. Here are a few options that are extremely easy for beginners. AI video creation using tools like Runway, Pika, or CapCut AI. AI social media management using OpusClip, FeedHive, or Notion AI. AI website building using Durable AI or the 10Web AI Builder. AI graphic design using Midjourney or Ideogram. AI copywriting using ChatGPT, Claude, or Copy.ai. Any one of these can make you money right now. And here's the key. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know how to press the buttons and let the AI produce the results. The third step is building your brand. This part takes less than 5 minutes because AI does it for you. Open ChatGPT or Claude and type, "Create a business name, tagline, mission statement, and brand voice for a digital AI service agency." You'll get everything instantly. Then take your business name and use Midjourney to generate a clean, professional logo. Finally, go to Canva and build a simple one-page landing page. Use the drag and drop template, paste in the name, your services, and a call to action like book a demo. Your brand is now done. The fourth step is fulfilling your service using AI. This is where things get fun, because everything that used to take hours now takes minutes. If you're offering video creation, upload your clips to Runway or Pika and generate cinematic scenes or short promos automatically. If you're offering social media management, use OpusClip to turn long videos into multiple short viral clips and use FeedHive to schedule the posts. If you're offering website creation, use Durable AI to generate a complete website with text, images, and layout in under 60 seconds. If you're offering design services, use Midjourney to create logos, banners, ads, and product images with a single sentence prompt. AI handles the entire backend for you. Your job is simply to organize the results and deliver them to the client. The fifth step is getting your first client. And this is where most people freeze because they think they need a huge portfolio or paid ads. You don't need either. Instead, you're going to use the value-first method. Here's the message you send. "Hey, I made something for your business for free. Can I show you a quick sample?" That's it. No pressure, no sales pitch. Make a simple AI-generated sample, like a short video, a logo, or a mini website demo, and send it to them. When they see real value with no risk, most people will ask for more. This is how beginners get their first paying clients almost instantly. The sixth step is turning that first client into consistent income. Once someone buys from you one time, they're 10 times more likely to buy again. Offer them a simple monthly package. For example, 10 short-form videos per month, 4 social media posts per week, or 1 website plus ongoing updates. Because you're using AI, all of this takes very little time. But for the client, it feels like a full service. This is how you create recurring income. The final step is scaling your system. Not by doing more work, but by using AI to do more of the work for you. Use ChatGPT to automate messaging. Use Notion AI to organize client tasks. Use OpusClip or Runway to automate content production, and use scheduling tools to deliver everything on autopilot. You're not building a job, you're building a system, and once the system is running, you can take on more clients without increasing your workload. That's the entire process to launch a complete AI-powered business in under 10 minutes. If you want more step-by-step AI systems, tutorials, and new tools you can use today, subscribe to AI Launchpad. More powerful breakdowns are coming.